Hi everyone. It's raining pretty good right now. So I'm going to invite you to come sit in the rain with me and contemplate your life. I'm going to pull out a chair and we're going to sit in the rain. Just going to look at the trees. It's cool outside today. It's not, whenever you catch a breeze, it gets a little crisp, but it's not cold. There were some birds chirping earlier, but they're probably hunkering down by now. You guys see the waviness of the trees? The rain feels good. I don't think I'll be swimming today, though. Are you having a nice day? I'm kind of having a nice day. It's a pretty good day, I guess. I'm getting wet, and the rain's picking up. It actually feels like the rain is slowing down now. It did pick up for a couple seconds there, but it's getting a tiny bit brighter out. The rain has slowed down to a light sprinkle, so... Oh, look at that, I found a little friend. Look at that. Hold on, wait, can you see? Oh wait, he fell off. Shit, spider. Look at that guy. Better not go into my pocket. Come here, man. Take you inside the garage. Please don't climb inside my shirt.